Why creative play is essential for your child's growth. Did you know that the way your child plays today directly impacts their problem solving skills, emotional intelligence, and even future success? Yet, in a world filled with screens and structured activities, creative play is becoming a lost art. What if I told you that simple, unstructured playtime could boost your child's brain development, confidence, and ability to handle challenges, all while having fun? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why creative play is essential for your child's growth, how to shape their future, and best ways to encourage it at home. Stay with me till the end because I'll be sharing my number one creative play activity that's backed by science and loved by kids of all ages. So let's dive in. Dear moms, if you have ever wondered how to help your child develop confidence, problem solving skills, and emotional resilience without constant structure or academic pressure, creative play is the answer. But in today's world where kids are glued to screens and overloaded with structured activities, unstructured activities is disappearing, and that's affecting their growth in ways most parents don't realize. If you're ever worried about your child's focus, imagination, and ability to think out of the box, feel guilty about not having enough quality time with them, struggle to find ways to encourage independent play without screens, then this video is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you will understand why creative play is scientifically proven to boost your child's cognitive, social, and emotional development. Learn practical ways to incorporate creative play at home, even with a busy schedule. Discover fun, engaging activities that will help your child problem solve, express emotions, and think creatively. Gain confidence knowing that simple playtime today is shaping your child's future success. My promise is that by end of this video, you'll have at least 3 new creative play ideas that will transform the way your child learns, thinks, and grows without adding more stress to your day. Let me start with my personal story. A few years ago, I noticed something concerning about my son. Every time he faced a smallest of challenge, whether it was difficult puzzle, a craft project that didn't go as planned, or even deciding what game to play, he would immediately get frustrated and say, "I can't do it. It's too hard. I don't know what to do." At first, I thought it was just a phase, but then I realized something important was missing in his daily routine. Creative, unstructured play. Like many moms, I had packed his schedule with school, homework, and structured activities like karate class, music lessons, scheduled play dates, but I hadn't given him enough time for free, imaginative play. Then I decided to experiment. Instead of always providing structured activities, I started leaving out open-ended toys like building blocks, art supplies, and cardboard boxes. I started giving him boredom time instead of filling every moment with planned activities. I started encouraging pretend play, like building forts together, creating stories together, and made up new rules for old games. At first, he definitely resisted. He'd say, "But what should I do?" And I responded, "You decide." Then, after a few days, something amazing happened. One day, I walked into my living room and saw him building a rocket ship out of old boxes. He had designed an entire mission to Mars, complete with control panels, space gears, and even a checklist of astronaut tasks. I stood there watching in amazement as he solved problems on his own, used his imagination, and most importantly, had fun. As a result, he became more confident in solving challenges. He stopped saying, "I can't," and started asking, "What else can I do?" He learned independence. He could now play for long periods without constant external entertainment. He started expressing emotions through storytelling and role playing, which helped with his emotional intelligence. That is when I truly understood creative play isn't just fun, it's essential for children's growth. And the best part is, it doesn't require expensive toys, fancy setups, or structured items. You can give them anything for imagination. In this video, I'll exactly show you this, how powerful, creative, unstructured play is. And you can incorporate it simply in your busy schedule. So why creative play is essential for conscious parents? As moms, we all want our children to grow into confident, independent, and emotionally intelligent individuals. But in today's fast-paced world, kids are losing their ability to think creatively, solve problems independently, and express emotions freely. Why? More screen time, less free play. More structured activities, less imaginative exploration. More academic pressure, less hands-on learning. The reality is, creative play isn't just for fun. It's crucial for cognitive, emotional, and social development. If you are raising a child between 5 to 18 years old, you're likely to be faced with one of the challenges. Your children struggle to focus, get bored easily, or constantly seek screen time. They have a hard time solving problems on their own, often looking to you for immediate answers. They get frustrated quickly when things don't go their way. They feel guilty because they don't engage in enough creative, open-ended play. The truth is, it's not your fault, but there's something that we can do about it. Research shows that kids who engage in creative play develop stronger problem-solving skills. They learn to think critically, adapt, and experiment. They express emotions better through role-playing, storytelling, and imaginative scenarios. They build confidence and resilience instead of giving up. They find new ways to approach challenges. If these are the qualities that you want your child to develop, creative play is the missing piece. Think back to your own childhood. Did you ever pretend you were a teacher, astronaut, or a doctor? Did you build forts, make up stories, or invent games with your friends? Did you create art out of nothing but cardboard, glue, and markers? Now ask yourself, how much of that kind of play do your children experience today? With the rise of technology and scheduled activities, many children spend hours on screens instead of using their imagination. They struggle with boredom because they're used to instant entertainment. They find it hard to solve problems independently because they rarely get unstructured time to experiment and fail and then learn. Creative play gives children the skills they need to handle life's challenges without you having to micromanage at every step. Imagine this, your child figuring out a solution to a problem instead of saying, "I don't know what to do." Them expressing emotions through play instead of shutting down in frustration. A home filled with laughter, exploration, and imaginative ideas instead of constant screen battles. It's not about taking away technology. It's about reintroducing creativity into their everyday life. As conscious parents, we focus on raising children who are emotionally resilient, independent, and capable of thinking critically. But here's the truth. If we don't prioritize creative play, we risk raising kids who are dependent on external entertainment. If we don't allow space for unstructured play, our children will struggle to make decisions and solve problems on their own. If we don't model creativity ourselves, our kids will miss out on the joy of self-expression and innovation. But it's never too late to make a change. By encouraging creative play, we are giving our children freedom to explore, experiment, and think independently. Teaching them to be problem solvers, not just followers. Allowing them to develop emotional intelligence through storytelling, role play, and creative expression. Your child deserves the opportunity to grow, imagine, and create. And as a conscious parent, you have the power to make that happen. So grab a pen and a paper and start jotting down what you can do to encourage creative play in your child's life. Stay tuned till the end because I have a free gift for you, a free bonus, a creative play guide to be downloaded that you can use easily to encourage creative play with your child. Also, at the end, I have this beautiful access to my community at a very special rate. So stay tuned and keep taking notes. So let's start with why creative play is crucial for your child's development. Number one, it boosts brain development. Research shows that creative play strengthens neural connections, improving memory, attention, and cognitive flexibility. Number two, it encourages problem solving. When kids engage in unstructured play, they learn to navigate challenges on their own, building resilience and adaptability. Number three, it reduces anxiety and improves emotional health. Play provides an outlet for emotions, helping children process feelings in a safe and a natural way. Number four, it develops communication and social skills. Whether through storytelling, role play, or group activities, creative play improves language and collaboration skills. Number five, it limits over-reliance on screens. Kids who engage in creative play are less dependent on digital entertainment and more self-sufficient in finding fun, meaningful activities. Number six, it prepares children for future success. Creativity is one of the most sought-after skills in today's world, helping kids excel in academics, leadership, and innovation. Now let's jump on to how we can implement creative play effectively. Number one, imaginative thinking, encouraging pretend play and storytelling. Pretend play and storytelling develops creativity, emotional intelligence, and communication skills. Provide open-ended toys like dolls, action figures, or play kitchen encourages imaginative play. Use storytelling prompts. Ask what happens next when reading books or let your child make up their own stories. Create a costume box. Let child dress up as superhero, doctor, or astronaut to encourage roleplay. Encourage puppet shows. Sock puppets or finger puppets allow children to express emotions and ideas. Designate a make-believe corner. Set up a space for kids to build forts, playhouses, or set up a pretend restaurant. Join in the play. Show enthusiasm by taking part in their stories and letting them lead. For example, if your child struggles with expressing emotions, encourage them to act out feelings using stuffed animals or puppets. Number two, problem-solving skills. Encourage hands-on exploration. When kids experiment with ideas and test different solutions, they develop critical thinking and resilience. Introduce puzzles and building blocks. Allow free play with loose parts, items like popsicle sticks, buttons, or cardboards. Set up a fix-it challenge. Give kids broken toys or everyday objects to figure out how to repair or repurpose them. Encourage tinkering with DIY projects. Let them create simple machines using gears, paper circuits, old electronics. Avoid solving problems for them. When kids say, "I can't do it," respond with, "What's another way you could try?" Play strategy-based board games like chess, checkers, or Jenga. They teach logical thinking and patience. For instance, instead of telling your kid how to build a tower, challenge them to figure out which materials create the strongest base. Number three, emotional intelligence. Use art as an emotional let out. Let them paint, draw, and use clay to express feelings. Introduce role play scenarios. Play feelings charade. Have your child act out emotions while others guess what are they feeling. Encourage journaling through pictures. Ask your child to draw what made them happy or sad today. Let kids process through music and dance. Move to music helps release built up emotions. Use play therapy techniques. Let them talk through stuffed toys or dolls to express difficult emotions. For instance, if your child is feeling nervous about a new school, have them role play the first day scenario with their toys. Motor skills. Activities that involve fine motor and gross motor skills improves coordination, handwriting, and overall physical development. Set up an obstacle course. Let them crawl, jump, and balance to improve motor control. Provide Play-Doh, a sensory bin. Use threading and beading activities. Encourage outdoor free play. Running, climbing, and swinging builds motor skills naturally. Let the kids help in the kitchen. Stirring, pouring, and cutting enhances hand strength. Introduce sports or yoga. Help with balance, focus, and coordination. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe. Share it with a friend who would love to have more creative play with their kids. Also, don't forget to download the free resource. The link is given in the description below. If you're ready to deep dive, join the link below and join my masterclass to learn more about conscious parenting and deep diving into different topics. Here's to unlocking your child's potential through play. See you in the next video.